Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create slide cutout transition using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project and then I'm going to show you how you can create the slide cutout transition. First of all, I'm going to cut my clip. I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, oops. I'm going to split it guys. You can split your video on the part that you want to add the transition to. Okay, and then I'm going to click on freeze. I can scroll all the way to the right until we find the freeze option right here, and then you're going to make it as an overlay. Go to the overlay, and then I'm going to drag this clip right here. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the background of this clip, so we can go to the remove background menu and then select auto removal. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you can use custom removal, which is free. Okay, and then I'm going to add keyframe. Okay, I'm going to add keyframe right here guys on the clip. Okay, you can add 2 keyframes and then you're going to add grab, and you can choose the quad out grab, this one, and then I'm going to make this part out of frame. Wait, okay, I'm going to make it out of frame like this. Okay, and then I'm going to play it guys to show you how the cutout transition looks like. Okay, and then you can repeat this tab for each transition. You can create like this again for another part. You can just split it and then freeze and then repeat the step I have told you before. Okay, just go to the freeze, and then again you're going to overlay it, and then you can cut it and put it on the transition, and then add keyframe, and then just do the same. Okay, all right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create slide cutout transition using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.